we have pursued the ROG ethos of daring to push boundaries, using a revolutionary new cooling structure and processor to create the spectacular ROG Phone 60 Ultimate. After months of collaboration, ASUS and MediaTek have exploited all the capabilities of the Dimensity 9000 Plus, fully extracting its performance potential for the incredible ROG Phone 60 Ultimate.
Dimensity 9000 Plus is MediaTek's flagship 5G chip. By integrating CPUs and GPUs with flagship performance into the SoC,
its CPU frequency has been upgraded to the best-in-class 3.2 GHz, with performance improving by 5% compared to its previous generation, while GPU performance has increased by more than 10%.
It uses faster LPDDR5X memory. This memory is more expensive, but with a 17% higher bandwidth and 15% lower latency than regular LPDDR5, the 60 Ultimate reaches an Antutu score of over 1.14 million. Especially the CPU score is miles ahead of competitors.
The aeroactive portal is a precision-made Intec with more than 50 components. The module features a crane slider design. The surface is made with stainless steel. Additionally, through the micro vapor chamber with cooling fins design, firstly developed by us in the smartphone industry, we are able to achieve direct air cooling of the CPU in mobile phones. When the fan is connected to the body of the phone, the portal will automatically rise to form a wind tunnel with the fan baffle, concentrating the airflow. The airflow generated by the fan is pressurized in the intricate design flow field in the fan, which gradually expands. The air is then directed into the wind tunnel, carrying the heat generated by the CPU through the vapor chamber onto the fins, and dissipated through the convection with cold air blowing in. The ultra-large static pressure centrifugal fans is carefully designed. Calculations show that approximately 40% of the airflow will be directed into the wind tunnel. During a 60-minute session of Jensen impact at 60 FPS, we can cool the phone to around 37 degrees through the air cooling alone.
We build features like our 5th generation hyper-engine gaming technologies. These smart control technologies notably reduce power consumption while also ensuring gaming experiences are fast, stable with exceptional graphics quality where it matters the most.
We will see you soon for those who dare.